Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 3 winter weight loss roti recipes. Now winter season is here and it brings lots and lots of options to eat healthy chapatis out there for weight loss. With these chapatis you can lose weight and at the same time get the protein and all the nutrients and vitamins from all the green veggies available during this season. So recently my lots of clients followed these chapati recipes for their lunch or their dinner or their breakfast and they were able to see great weight loss happening. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start our weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with 3 winter weight loss roti recipes to help you lose weight fast very easily. Now the first one is called Methi Roti, or you can even call it Methi Thepla. It tastes amazing and the recipe is very easy to prepare. Now I've used here 2 tablespoons of gluten-free oats flour, 1 tablespoon of besan and 1 tablespoon of normal wheat flour. Along with that I'm adding here ginger, green chilies chopped, onion finely chopped, lots of methi leaves fresh and at the same time lots of coriander as well. Spices according to taste, and all you have to do is just knead the dough with little water. The dough is prepared and all you have to do is simply prepare rotis, and the key here is to not fry it. Just when it's on plate, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, that is desi ghee over it. Tastes amazing in each and every manner. Have it along with your mint chutney or raita and delicious in each and every manner. Fenugreek leaves or methi leaves help in weight management, helps in antioxidant level and at the same time it controls your cholesterol to a very great level. Skin and hair health is also maintained with these leaves, so always make sure to have this whenever it's in the season. Now let's proceed towards our second winter weight loss roti recipe, which is gluten-free oats beetroot chapati. Now we have launched our own Eat More Lose More's gluten-free oats flour. Now it's organic and gluten-free oats flour that you can use for all your recipes out there, and the solution is finally here. Now I have prepared my beetroot oats chapati with this. All I have done is taken Eat More Lose More's gluten-free oats flour. To this I'll be adding grated beetroot and just knead the dough with little water and your soft dough is ready. All you have to do is just sprinkle little oats flour over it and prepare chapatis with this flour. Trust me, it will come out so tasty and at the same point very healthy in each and every manner. They are soft in nature and very amazing to eat. Have it with any of your tasty and favorite sabzi or curries, and along with that do not forget to have lots of salad along with it. And trust me, your weight loss journey is made much easier with this flour. It will be very easy to have roti and at the same time lose weight fast with Eat More Lose More's gluten-free oats flour. To buy, the link is given in the description box below. Go check it out and let me know how you felt about it. And now let's proceed towards our third weight loss roti recipe, which is everybody's favorite in winter season for all the Punjabis and North Indians out there, and even entire world can try it, which is Maki Roti along with saag and samachar. All I've done here is taken maki flour and at the same time I'll be adding here 1 tablespoon of oats flour as well. You don't need to add any kind of salt or any kind of spices, nothing to it. All you have to do is just simply knead the dough with a little water. Yes, this takes a little more water than any usual chapati, and knead the dough properly. And the perfect way to make these chapatis without breaking them for beginners will be to use butter paper or cellophane over the top to prepare these chapatis and cook them well over the pan, and your delicious maki ki roti along with sarson ka saag plus some adrak ka achar is ready. And trust me, this is one of the most healthy and yet great for weight loss foods in winter season that you can have and enjoy. So here are 3 winter weight loss roti recipes. The process is made much easier with our Eat More Lose More's gluten-free oats flour. To buy, you can check the description box below and go check it out. It's delicious and at the same time the weight loss journey is made much easier with this flour. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More to get notified for all the upcoming weight loss recipes, tips and tricks, diet plans and lots information on health management and disease management. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming client transformations, their diet plans, healthy weight loss recipes, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.